Hey, how's it going? It's Jonathan Glazer here again, and this video I'm going to be focusing on the Builderall business, and we're going to look at 3 efficient ways to promote the Builderall business to make money online. So that's pretty much what is awesome about this platform. And if you've noticed, I've been focusing a lot on the Builderall business side. You can do so much with this platform. You can build sites, you can and sell them. You can promote your personal business or anything else that you have out there using the tools um, and services that Builderall provides, and have other videos on that. And I will leave actually a link to the playlist after this video, so stay tuned so you can check out more services. And if you see something that you need me to cover, or if I haven't covered anything, feel free to send me a comment or message me in the details below, and I will create a video and help you out there. So let's get started here. So there's many ways that you can actually do this, but there's if you're just starting out or you have a low budget, these are gonna help you a lot. So um, in your back office, Builderall actually will help you, give you resources for promoting using um, multiple funnels here. So they have um, a whole assortment of funnels. That's what I wanted, that you can use to get people into, if you don't have your own list, or you don't have a capture page set up yet, or if you just want to use, Builderall's business marketing team, you can access these funnels, and you'll simply um, can use your own domain up here, and there's a way to set that up. You can simply do that down here in the tutorial, or there's another tutorial up here in the 30-day business builder, which I will get to in just a second. But these are going to be the funnels that are at your disposal. The viral sales funnel, viral funnel for the business, that one is going to be the most effective one. Gives people the chance to test run the business, even start making money, and they'll upgrade through and get to pro, where you'll get the most commissions, including residual commissions from that, which that's all going to be explained in here. You can start them off on the 3-day trial if you just want to sell services. So you can play with that once you get inside here and just check all those out, see which one you like the best. And there's going to be weekly webinars that's going to help you too, and support groups on Facebook. So that's the promo tools that you get access to. There's also a business builder here, and it's going to have some resources for you to access that you can use for content. So it's called the 365 Business Builder, and you will choose each day, and you can use these images, use the content, use this image and use this content simply by just right-clicking and saving. And then you just will go down the week just like that, and it'll have different content for you to post. So this one has a blog that you can use. You will come here, you will copy and paste this blog, and you'll come up to here to the redirect link, and you just post it right in there, and it's going to shorten that for you. So now you have this little link right here. It's not as ugly, or you can use your own your own links. You can mask it. You can use this over here. Any link or link shortener you got, or anything like that, you can use. So that's what you're gonna do. That's for the first one. You're just gonna go through that, and you're gonna use the content they put together for you. Another way is to go to the new feature they have, the 30-day business builder. So you'll just go through that, and it does the same thing, but it's got a longer it's got a daily action plan. You have email swipes, and a tutorial here that's going to show you how to connect your domain name, and then a step-by-step process that you do every day. So you'll use the business builder viral funnel I just showed you, and then you get content for your posts as well as an image to use, and then you're also going to get emails. So let's see, it didn't really load it. So you'll simply do this task, and then you'll come back here the next day, and it's going to show you a new task to do. And I'm not sure why this is not showing, but let me see if I can So while that's refreshing, I'm going to go show you a third method that you can use. Very simple, and it's very effective, is your Facebook profile. So what you'll do is you can write what I wrote, which is just something simple. Get paid repeatedly for the work you do once, providing services in a high demand niche, and then ask me how. So then everyone who wants to learn how, you're just going to send them your quick message saying I'm sending you the details, and then you'll just send them your link in a personal messenger, and this is going to keep your post up. It's going to bump it. It's going to show it to more people because people are responding. They want to learn, and Facebook's going to consider it an important post and keep showing it to all your friends. And the more people that go through it, the higher chances of of them turning into a lead and then converting to the Builderall Business Pro. So that's it. Very simple. Let's see if this worked. And so I'm not sure why that's happening. Normally there will be an email here that you'll send it out. I think it's because I refreshed my cookies that I had to go back to number 1. But anyways, you will it'll show up right here, and it'll show you the next day. You just do the same thing, follow the day, do these couple tasks, and you can go through here and use Builderall's tutorials. You can also join the group, the Builderall group, Marketing Expert group, and Builderall English group, and there will be lots of training in that as well. And like I said, every week they do tutorial videos, and they do weekly webinars, and you can find those in the group. And sometimes you'll get access to those to use to promote and get leads and sales. So that's it. Kept it simple. 3 efficient ways to promote the Builderall Business platform. So next thing to do is, if you haven't joined Builderall yet, click the link below. It'll run you through that business funnel, and you can try it out for free, work your way through the levels, and start making those residual commissions. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, do that as well, and we'll talk to you real soon. Have an awesome day.